Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in today's video, we're going to be decorating this lantern. Come on with me, guys. Now the lantern itself was a thrifted item, and look how beautiful it looks. And all the items that I'm using to decorate did come from the Dollar Tree. So we're starting out here by wiping it down. I have already taken out all the stuff that was previously in here, and we are getting ready for the fall tour. So I'm wiping this down and we're going to go ahead and redecorate it. Now, if you guys haven't heard about the fall tour, oh my goodness, head on over to my community tab, and there you will see the calendar of collaborations for October. You will also see the fall tour is scheduled for Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy watching me decorate this lantern, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels, and they will be listed below. So this is perfect. I'm loving that sunflower. Let's head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.